Hey Ashton, can you tell me what you're doing?
I'm wrenching my car.
You're wrenching your tire. Well, can you tell me, are you changing a flat tire?
Yes.
Yes? Why do you have a flat tire?
Because it bumped over the nail.
Oh, it ran over a nail. So you're fixing it all up?
Yeah.
Using Daddy's tools?
Yes. This makes the flat tire big.
Oh, that's putting the air in the tire?
Yes.
Did you patch it up?
Yep. With this wrench.
That wrench patched it up? Okay. And where are you going to go once you get the flat tire fixed?
I'm going to go to somebody's house.
Oh, somebody's house. I thought you were going to Vacation Bible School today. That's why you're wearing your shirt.
I'm going to David's house, then I'm going to go to Vacation Bible School.
Oh, you're going to go to a friend's house and then Vacation Bible School.
Then I'm going to go to the guinea pig. 3 rows.
Oh, you're going to take care of a guinea pig?
Yeah. And a guinea cat.
You've got a lot to do today, don't you?
Yeah.
Busy girl. Is it almost fixed?
Yeah. When I tell you it's fixed on the 2 every day, a flat tire there, that's a flat tire, that's a flat tire, and that's a flat tire.
You have 4 flat tires?
Yeah.
You've only worked on the first one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This one is the first one. It's all pumped out now. So that's one ready to go.
All done?
Yeah. Now the other side.
Got a lot to do.